Everybody's asking, how do you learn web dev fast? Let me break it to you. There's no magic shortcut, but there is a smarter way. First mistake, people binge 20 tutorials in a row, memorize nothing, and wonder why they can't build squat. The secret? You learn by doing, not watching. Step 1. HTML and CSS. You don't need to master them. Just learn enough to build an ugly site. A header, a button, some text. Doesn't matter if it looks like Craigslist in 2005. Step 2. JavaScript. Make something interactive. Add a button that changes text or a form that yells at you when you leave it blank. Break it. Fix it. Break it again. That cycle is how you learn. Then, frameworks. And here's the rule. Pick one. React, Vue, Svelte, Solid. Doesn't matter. Don't waste 3 months comparing blog posts. Just pick and go. Next step, projects. Build dumb ones. A meme generator, a to-do app, fake store, calculator. Every finished project teaches you more than 10 hours of tutorials. And don't hide them. Push them to GitHub, deploy them to Netlify or Versal. The second you share your work, it stops being practice and starts being a portfolio. And here's the reality check. You'll never feel ready. You'll always think you don't know enough. But the people getting jobs, they're the ones shipping broken projects and fixing them in public. So yeah, if you want to learn web dev fast, stop watching, start building, and embrace the chaos.